Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, I have a double unboxing. If you want to see what I got, stick around. Alright, so I've done a little damage lately, a little online shopping, you guys, and I really wasn't going to film today, but I thought, what the heck, I've got to tear into these boxes. I can't wait. I've been cleaning out the studio today, so I thought I'm just going to go ahead, hop on there, and film it really fast because I can't wait. And I really do love to do true unboxings, but I just have a problem with it because when something comes, I just want to tear into it. So I have my killer knife here, and so we'll tear into the first box, you guys. Have you guys been doing a lot more online shopping since we've been quarantined? I have been doing a lot of looking. I haven't really bought a lot of stuff, but I finally pulled the trigger. Let's see which one this is. Okay, so this one is from Coach. And this is something that Autumn Beckman found for me. She knew that I was looking for, well, I've been looking on the Louis Vuitton website and I really love a certain bag, and this is a really good alternative. So she found this and I grabbed it. So let's just tear into the box and see what I got. Okay, so I've cut open the box. My killer knife went in a little too deep. I need to be careful, but it had some air pillows in there that I punctured. Here it is. This is from Coach, and I'll just pull it out, and it has the return label attached to it. Coach. So this is from the Coach outlet. Thank you, Autumn, for always looking out for me. I like to pick on her. You guys are on it. You know that we're teasing with each other. She's a really good friend, and so she knew that I had been looking at a certain bag on Louis Vuitton, and she saw this, and I said, I'm getting it. It was too good of a deal to pass up. Woo! Oh, I love it. It is a vanity case, and here's the strap that looks to be, I think it's adjustable. We'll see. I'll undo all this and I'll come back and show you, but I love the vanity case, the new vanity case from Louis Vuitton, and lately I haven't been loving anything new that they've put out. I'm like, no, it sucks, but I really like the vanity case, and when she showed this to me, I was so excited, and I actually got it for 76% off. So let me tear all this off and come back. I am so excited. Look at this little beauty. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. So cute. Such a perfect summer bag. Would this not be perfect when I go to the beach? And it has an adjustable strap. Oh my goodness. I absolutely love this bag. It's a beautiful kind of a cream. It's not white. It looks white on the monitor, but it's cream. I love everything about this little bag. Look at this. So cute. Okay, so I left the tag on here. The original price is $328. Is that picking it? $328. This is Coach.com, the outlet. I paid $76. Yes, I did. $76. And I just thought, the minute she sent me the text, I was like, I'm getting it. And I was in a panic to get logged on and get this. So if it's still available, I'll link it for you guys. You know, Louis Vuitton has a beautiful vanity case bag, and I just fell in love with it. So I'm going to open it up and show you the inside. And they have it stuffed. And of course, I can't get it online. I can't go anywhere. So when she saw this and sent this to me, I was like, I am getting this. Okay, so, oh, it has a beautiful, I'm so glad that the inside is dark. So it has this beautiful kind of camel color, soft, is it microfiber? Just really soft lining. It's the perfect size. It's a small bag. It's got a little pocket there, right there. I absolutely love this, you guys. Oh, it's got more paper on it. And I mean, $76. I mean, I do feel like, well, I can carry this all year around, but I do feel like this would be the perfect little vacation bag when you're out running around, shopping, whatever, sightseeing. And it is just so lightweight and smells pretty good too. But it's that scratch resistant leather. I don't know what kind it is, but is this not the cutest little thing? I love it. Thank you, Autumn, for sending me the text and hooking me up. So this is really a great little bag. I'm gonna put it on and show you guys what it looks like on me. Okay, let me show you what it looks like on you guys. I'm absolutely thrilled with my $76 bag. Look how cute. Look how cute. Let me step back a bit. Is this not the cutest? If I were on vacation and I had a cute little sundress on, a maxi and some little Tory Burch Miller sandals and this little bag, bam. So cute. I can wear it like this. I can tighten the strap and wear it over my shoulder. I can take this off and carry it to dinner. Little handheld ladylike bag. I love it, you guys. Love it. I am so happy with this purchase. So cute. Okay, let's move on to box number 2. What could it be? Okay, so I opened the box and it has all this crunched up paper in there. Bam. It's Tory Burch, but I did buy these from Nordstrom because I had some Nordstrom notes available. So normally I tell you guys to order from toryburch.com or the boutique if you want to get those certificates that they send out, but these were on sale, plus I had Nordstrom notes, so I went ahead and got these. You guys know how I am. Like, I needed another pair of Tory Burch shoes, but when I saw them, I was like, I have got to have these. I've got to have them. So, what did I get? I got, here we are, the dust bag. Tory Burch only puts one dust bag. I really could care less about the dust bags. Do you guys like them? If you guys like them, message me. I've got a ton of Coach dust bags and Tory Burch dust bags. I will just give them to you. I just don't use them. There's no windows in here. Okay, so here's the paper. Oh my gosh. This smell needs to be bottled. Loafers. This time, they're heeled. Oh, look at these. They are navy and cream and black and gold. Oh my goodness. These are so cute. Oh. When I saw these, and they were $100 off. I think regularly they were like almost $400, $398, and they were marked off $100, and I had Nordstrom notes. How could I not? I mean, how could I not? Because I'm telling you, I know from experience, and I talked to the SA in Atlanta at Phipps, and she's like, they're trying to make their shoes kind of more, except the lines like, you know, the Miller lines and lines that they always have, but like shoes that come out that are seasonal, they're trying to make them more, what is the word I'm looking for? Exclusive. So if you see some shoes like this that you want, you better snag them, because you know, like the loafers that I showed you in my Tory Burch shoe video, I missed out on getting the heels. And this is the perfect heel because it can be dressy or it can be casual. So I saw these and I thought, there's no way. I am just not going to miss out on these. I mean, I love Gucci loafers and I don't have a pair and I really want a pair, but are they any better than this? I just want those Gucci loafers with the pearls, you know, around the heel for $1,000. I won't pay $1,000 for them. If I ever find them on sale somewhere like Rue La La or some of these websites, that's when I'll strike. But you guys, $298. And then I had the Nordstrom notes. Let's see, what did I have? About $60. These are very classic, beautiful. And they smell so good. Look at the inside. Everything about a Tory Burch shoe is just exquisite. It even has gold lining on the inside. These are very, very luxurious. I absolutely love these. I am so excited and thrilled with my beautiful spring finds. My Coach vanity bag, $76. I think it was like 70-something% off. And these beautiful Tory Burch shoes, I think these will go beautifully together. So I just wanted to show you guys what I got. It's definitely brightened up my day. I may never be able to wear them anywhere, but hopefully they'll go well with pajama bottoms. Well, that's all I've got for you guys today, and I will see you guys again next time. Bye-bye. Unboxings, but I just have a problem with it because when something comes, I just want to tear into it. So I have my killer knife here, and well, and woo, and so, you know, and okay, so, and bam.